Hey everybody, thanks for joining us here at St.Albert Dodge. My name is Shannon Stute. You can contact me directly if you want more info, but I'm going to go over as much as I can about this vehicle in a quick couple of minutes. So to start, it's the Dodge Grand Caravan Premium Plus SXT. So this is the key fob. It's equipped with some really great features, including the power liftgate and the power doors. So be it that this is your vehicle, you click this button twice, you can open up the power sliding door. You can do this from the key fob or the inside. Seems like a very luxury, unnecessary feature until you have kids. I got a couple of them, and I'm transitioning into that Grand Caravan phase in my life where it makes sense to, open this door up for the kids, let them get in there, carry their backpacks, chuck them in, and not provide any door dings to your car or the car beside you in the parking lot. So big reason for that. Likewise, the vehicle has all the safety capabilities that you would want for having kids in and out of the vehicle, or passengers, not just kids. A lot of people buy these Grand Caravans for work type related things and stuff like that. Well, Dodge has been serving that initiative for 50 plus years. So pretty impressive vehicle. 3.6 liter V6 Pentastar engine under the hood that has been around for a long time as well. We got full aluminum mags on the vehicle, as well as the inside being pretty loaded up. So power seat, also have the 115 volt plug-in just like your house. It's got the full Stow-n-go. It's got USB ports for charging up phones. The nice other point about this vehicle that I really want to make is, I'll shut this door here. I'll show you as soon as I plug in our key. It actually has a second row window, which is pretty phenomenal. A lot of people like that for the kids, be able to get some airflow through the vehicle, and just in general nice to be able to roll down the window and see their smiling faces. Power lift gate in the back here, so 2 clicks of that button, up comes your power lift gate. Also convenient for having your hands full. You got the stroller and everything. This lifts up. Go ahead and throw the stroller or cargo into the back here, and I can show you a really great form of the Stow-n-go in the back. In the middle seats, you got to come in and check that out yourself. Those 2 middle captain's chairs fold completely into the floor, but while they're up, I'll show you that they have a ton of storage. But let's show you on the 60-40 split here, the 40, because it's the easier of the two. You pull the 1, it's going to lay this headrest down. Okay, and then you pull the 2, 3, and the 4. And back comes the seat, lays into the floor. It'll lay flush. It's just the mats of the vehicle are in the trunk because whoever traded it in kindly provided those, as well as the rubber mats that are already placed in the vehicle. So there you have the rear Stow-n-go part of it. Makes for a lot more room when it comes to storing any kind of cargo when you don't need to use the 3rd row. Now coming around, I said I would show you the 2nd row Stow-n-go capability. So what you're going to want to do first is go ahead and move the seat forward to its forward function, forward position rather. Okay, now that we're there, down underneath here, these mats click in and out, which is kind of nice. They don't slide around. You've got the storage down underneath, which is really great. Tons of storage. Any kind of games you want to keep on the road, extra jackets, that type of stuff. Well, then underneath that, once this is all the way up, you simply just pull this little lever and the whole thing folds into the floor. It's a really great feature that if you don't already have it, I think you could appreciate. Lastly on this vehicle, up top here, I know you know what that is. That's the DVD. Pretty great functionality for keeping the kids or occupants of the vehicle busy in the back there. And then just the last thing I'd want you to pan in on will also be in the 2nd row here, which is in the super console in the middle. There's a giant pull-out drawer as well as cup holders for the back row, because storage is key when it comes to these types of vehicles. And then just down in here, I'll pull the seatbelt away, are all the plugins and outlets for charging down below, just a little bit lower. Charging phones, USBs, and the plugins for the DVD system. So Shannon Stute, St.Albert Dodge, great grand caravan here for you guys that I'd love to show you in person. There's a lot more that it offers, including the way it drives, which is a great way that it's been doing for 50 plus years. So Shannon Stute, St.Albert Dodge, thanks for your time.